Hi everybody, so this video is inspired by Jahna Erica Steele. She is a transsexual legend. She was, okay, I just want to get this right here. She was voted Las Vegas's sexiest showgirl on the strip in 91, Las Vegas Entertainer of the Year in 92, most beautiful showgirl in 93, and then she was fired for being outed as a trans woman by a tabloid television show. She also hosted Trantasia, which we talk about in these videos sometimes for the transsexual historians out there. You know what Trantasia is, the world's most beautiful transsexual pageant. Hair is inspired by what she did most times, which you can see in things like this. And the makeup is inspired, this is more hair focused really, and the makeup is inspired by a look that she did here that I thought was absolutely beautiful. It's so simple, and like I said, we really are focusing on the hair today. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. It's a shame Jahna's not still here to appreciate the legacy that she left, for sure, because she truly is an icon and a legend. I want to thank you so much for stopping by my video and watching. I hope you have a great day, and I do hope you decide to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Realized after filming that you couldn't see like all of the hair, so I'm hoping you can see it now. Okay, so we're actually starting off with the hair. I am going to be using a 1 and actually I think it might be 2-inch barrel. I can't remember honestly. And what I'm doing is just putting in these very, very large rollers. We want like the slightest bend of the hair, but we want lots of volume. Then I'm going in and using the P. Louise Oh So Browtiful Skinny Brow Pencil, which I am now out of, so I will be moving on to another brow pencil you'll see in future videos. For the eyeshadow base, we're using the P. Louise Base. And just going to buff that all over the lid. And the eyeshadow is very, very simple. We're just doing the Juvia's Place The Warrior 2. I'm using the color Zaz on my lid and on my inner corner and on my brow bone. And then I'm using the color Yodit on my crease. And that is it for the eyeshadow. For the eyeliner, we're going to really round it. So we're going to be having the eyeliner very, very thin on the inner and outer portion, and then very thick on the middle portion to really round the eye and give that illusion. Jahna also brought her eyeshadow color, it looks like in photos at least, right into her nose, so that's what I did. So as you could see, thinner towards the inner corner and then thicker in the center, and then thinner again towards the outer corner. I had a hard time because these are magnetic lashes. I had such a thin line that some of them didn't stick, so I did just put a little bit of glue. I was at the end of the life of these lashes anyway, and I did put 2 sets. I reached out to Think Show Lashes to see if they want to send me more because I love them and I use them in literally like every one of my videos basically. And they wanted me to try lash extensions instead, which I do not want to do because I wear fake lashes and stuff like that, and I don't want to do lash extensions on myself. So once I'm done with these lashes, I guess you won't be seeing Think Show Lashes again, just because I'll buy like cheap glue-on ones from eBay, but whatever. I definitely recommend them though. Then I have the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra-Charged Complexion Prep Priming Spray, which I sprayed and it smelled off, so I threw it out. It's very old, mind you, so it probably is off, but regardless, threw it out. Then I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, and I'm just applying that under my eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead. And then for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation, which is my favorite at the moment. I just love the finish that it gives, and I love the coverage as well too. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a total mask, but it can be buildable. For blush, I use the P. Louise Peach Puff liquid blush, and I used the Makeup Revolution Light Ultra Cream Bronzer for my bronzer around my forehead and on the perimeter of my cheek, the outer edge of my cheek by my ear, you'll see, and then my jawline. I love the P. Louise blushes, by the way. They're some of my favorites for sure. And then this is the Ultra Cream Bronzer by Makeup Revolution. And you can see there I'm just putting it along the outer edge of my cheek. Then blending that in, and we're going to go ahead and set with the MAC Studio Fix powder. And I use that, I use the white color under my eye, and then I use the regular skin color, like my regular skin color. I believe it's NC18 or NC15, I can't remember, but I use that along the rest of my face. And then I use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the color Light. I'm also coming to the end of this, so over the next few videos, it'll probably be the last time you see me using this. I do really like it though, and I would recommend it, but I'll move on to another setting powder in my collection. For the longest time, I was like obsessed with setting powder, so I have tons. And then I use the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Omega Bronze. I would definitely recommend the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer as a direct dupe for that. And then I'm using the Sheglam Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush. And I believe Sheglam has other versions of the lightweight matte blush, so I will most definitely be checking that out because I absolutely love it. And for lips, I'll be using the Wet n Wild 666 lip liner, the L'Oreal New Impertinent Color Riche lipstick, and the Revlon Sandstone Ultra HD lip lacquer. Under the eyes as well too, I totally forgot to mention, all I did was put a touch of black eyeliner along my lash line and then just smudged it out a bit with my finger. For the hair, all I did was take it down and I teased every single section. So you will see me in a couple seconds tease. I start at the top, tease it and put it to the front, and then tease the next section after, or back home, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, these really give a lot of volume and I love them. And the teas looked amazing. So I was really, really happy with that. I love this wig, honestly. This wig is so cunt. I just love it. So you could see like everything pretty much. I wish I got this all in frame because when I flip it back, it literally stands like straight up. Loves it. I used to tease my hair like that in grade 9. It was a lot. It was a lot for sure. So just teasing every section, and then I will go through and just lightly comb out the ends, like nothing too crazy. And as you can see there, I am just combing out the ends. Make sure you hold the wig down so that it does not lift or anything like that. The nice thing I like about this wig with bangs is I don't have to glue it down. And you really want to make sure you get that lift everywhere. Don't discriminate. Don't do just the sides and don't do just the top. Do it all. Big as possible. And that is pretty much it. Give it a hairspray and you're done. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you have a great day.